Stop losing money now. Because the system was never built for you to win. You went to school, you followed the rules. But what if those rules were never designed for people who wanted more? They were never meant to teach you how to manage money, avoid traps, or build wealth. There's a hidden curriculum no one talks about. A curriculum so powerful, it could have saved you from years of financial frustration, paycheck-to-paycheck stress, and missed opportunities. Because buried in were the exact reasons why most people lose money every single day without realizing it. What if you've been losing money not because you made bad decisions, but because you were never given the tools to decide better? The secrets are coming, and by the end of this video, you'll wish you found the lost curriculum sooner. And once you see what's inside, you'll never look at your education or your bank account the same way again. Chapter 1: Master Financial Literacy. Ever wonder why your money seems to vanish before the month ends? You're not alone. Over 75% of people don't know exactly where their money goes each month, and that's not a mistake, it's a setup. Schools trained you to earn money but never to manage it, so what happens? You make money and you lose it, quietly, unconsciously. The solution isn't complex, but it is powerful. Start by creating a daily spending tracker. Don't wait till the end of the month to be shocked. Track every dollar, every swipe. Next, use a zero-based budget, where every dollar you earn is assigned a job. Nothing floats around. Need help? Apps like You Need a Budget or Good Budget do the heavy lifting. Even a basic Google Sheets template can transform your awareness. But budgeting is just the beginning. Real financial literacy also means knowing how to avoid invisible money leaks, from subscriptions you forgot to cancel to emotional impulse purchases disguised as rewards. You don't need more income first. You need more control first. And once you master this, you're no longer financially blind. This is just the beginning. But what if I told you that the next secret lies within your own mind? Chapter 2: The Winning Money Mindset. Why do two people with the same salary live completely different financial lives? One's always broke, the other quietly building wealth. The difference isn't income, it's mindset. We were taught how to earn money, but never how to think like people who keep and grow it. That's the trap. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is wired to chase sales, crave instant wins, and avoid long-term thinking. And if you don't control that wiring, it controls your wallet. No school ever taught you how to control that. So how do you escape it? Delay gratification. Learn to say not now so you can say yes to something bigger later. Try the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before buying anything non-essential. Set micro goals. Saving $100 feels boring, but 10 levels of $10? Your brain sees progress and gets addicted to it. Rewire your self-talk. Stop saying, I can't afford this. Start asking, how can I afford this without going broke? That's the shift, from limits to possibilities. Need proof that mindset matters more than money? Here's a wild one. A Stanford study gave kids a marshmallow and a choice. Eat one now or wait 15 minutes and get two. Decades later, the ones who waited had better jobs, higher incomes, and healthier lives. Delayed gratification overpowers IQ. Let that sink in. The ability to wait literally shapes your financial future. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit like and subscribe to the channel, because the real lessons start here. Chapter 3: The Wealth-Building Power of Negotiation. Imagine if every time you spoke up, you unlocked hidden cash, transforming a simple no into a resounding yes. Negotiation isn't just about haggling for a better price. It's the secret lever that can elevate your entire financial life. Every conversation, every transaction is an opportunity. When you learn to negotiate, you're not just asking for discounts, you're demanding the value you think is right. Think about this. A fresh graduate who negotiates even a modest 5% higher starting salary can end up earning tens of thousands more over their career simply by asking. Or picture negotiating a discount on a major purchase. That extra saving isn't just a one-time win, it compounds over time. But here's the twist. Most schools never teach you that your voice is your most powerful financial tool. Instead of learning formulas and theories, imagine learning strategies like pause and play. When given a number, hold your silence. Let it hang in the air. Watch as the other side feels the pressure. Value framing: reframe every conversation as a chance to highlight your unique worth, whether it's negotiating your salary, a car price, or even the cost of everyday services. Strategic walk-away. Sometimes the best move is knowing when to say no and walk away. That bold step can force better offers. And here's the kicker. Once you master this skill, every no transforms into a stepping stone toward an even better yes. Chapter 4. Build an emergency savings fund. What if one unexpected bill could destroy everything you've built? A medical emergency, a job loss, a sudden car repair. Most people don't go broke because they make bad investments. They go broke because life throws one punch and they weren't ready. Here's the truth no one told you. Your emergency fund isn't just money, it's peace of mind. It's the quiet difference between surviving and spiraling. And here's a little-known tactic. Create a Life Happens account, separate from your savings. Automate a fixed deposit into it monthly. Set it, forget it until the day it saves you. Because without a financial buffer, you're always one crisis away from desperation. And if you think that's all, wait until you learn about the true cost of every decision you make. Because every choice has a hidden price. Chapter 5. The money you never see. Opportunity cost and time value. This is where the financial game changes, because what you don't do can cost you more than what you do. Let's say you spend $50 a week on small, untracked expenses. That's $2,600 a year. Now imagine investing that same amount annually with a 10% return for 25 years. You're looking at over $280,000. That's the real price, not the $50, but what you missed out on. This is called opportunity cost, the hidden price tag behind every decision you make. And then there's the time value of money, a concept schools might have mentioned but never showed you how to use. Picture two friends. One starts investing $200 a month at age 25 and stops at 35. The other waits until 35 to start and invests the same amount until 60. Surprisingly, the early starter, who only invested for 10 years, ends up with more wealth than the one who invested for 25 years. Why? Because time compounds money exponentially. A dollar today isn't just a dollar, it's future potential, and every day you wait, it shrinks. Schools taught us how to memorize equations, not how to make time work for us. So here's the shift. Every dollar spent today could be worth 10 times more tomorrow. Every delay in saving or investing is like paying a silent penalty on your future wealth. Start seeing your choices through this lens, not just, can I afford this now, but what is this really costing me later? These are the lost lessons that schools never taught us, but that you can learn right now to transform your financial future. Now that you've uncovered these hidden secrets, ask yourself, what lesson do you wish you'd learned sooner? If you're ready to break free from the system that's designed to keep you poor, hit that like button, share this video with friends, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.